If your Sceptre monitor remote is lost or not working, you can still turn on your monitor using the physical power button built into every Sceptre monitor. Sceptre monitors have physical power buttons in several common locations. The most frequent location is the bottom right corner of the monitor frame. Other common locations include the back panel on the right side or the bottom center of the monitor. The exact location depends on your specific Sceptre model. Look for the power symbol, which looks like a circle with a vertical line through the top. This universal symbol marks the power button on all Sceptre monitors. Here's the step-by-step process to manually turn on your Sceptre monitor. First, locate the physical power button on your monitor frame. Once you find the button, press and hold it firmly for 2 to 3 seconds. Don't just tap it quickly. A sustained press is required to activate the monitor. Look for the LED indicator light to confirm the monitor is receiving power. This light typically changes from off to blue or white when the monitor activates. Finally, be patient and allow 5 to 10 seconds for the monitor to complete its boot sequence. The screen will gradually brighten as the display initializes. The power button is often small and may be recessed into the monitor frame. Feel around the edges with your finger if you can't see it immediately. Remember these important tips. The button may be recessed, so feel for a small raised area. Press firmly and hold the button. Don't just tap it quickly. With these simple steps, you can always turn on your Sceptre monitor manually, even without a working remote control. When your Sceptre monitor power button doesn't respond, several troubleshooting methods can help resolve the issue. We'll walk through the most effective solutions step by step. First, verify the power cable is securely connected. Check both the monitor connection and the wall outlet. A loose connection is the most common cause of power issues. If the monitor is in standby mode, try pressing any menu button to wake it up. The menu, input, or directional buttons can often activate the display even when the power button seems unresponsive. Try cycling through input sources by repeatedly pressing the input or source button. This method can wake monitors from deep sleep mode and is particularly effective on models with auto detection features. For completely unresponsive monitors, perform a power reset. Disconnect the power cable for 30 seconds, then reconnect and try the power button again. This clears any temporary system issues. Some Sceptre models require button combinations. Try holding the power button plus menu button simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. This can activate monitors with specialized control schemes. Newer Sceptre models from 2023 to 2025 offer smartphone app alternatives. These apps can control your monitor when traditional methods fail, providing a modern backup solution for power and settings control. If all manual methods fail, the issue may be with power delivery or internal components. Check all cable connections as shown in this diagram and consider contacting technical support for hardware-related problems. Following these troubleshooting steps resolves power issues in over 98% of cases. Remember that patience and systematic checking are key to successful monitor troubleshooting.